I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Welcome to my latest travel video. Today, I'm taking you to one of the most beautiful beaches in Plage de la Bocca. As you can see, the water here is crystal clear and the sand is so soft, it's like walking on a cloud. The beach stretch is 4 miles, and it's the perfect place to relax, soak up some sun, and take a refreshing swim in the Mediterranean Sea. This beach is very popular with locals and tourists alike, and it's easy to see why. The atmosphere is just amazing, everyone is so friendly and laid back, and it's the perfect place to escape the hustle and bustle of the city. As you walk along the shoreline, you'll come across some fantastic beach bars and restaurants where you can grab a drink or a bite to eat. Please don't forget to hit the like button, write a comment below, and subscribe to my channel for more travel videos.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.